Why staying broke is a choice and how to break free. Yo, listen up. If you're reading this, there's a good chance you're not where you want to be financially. Maybe it's the credit card debt piling up, the collections calls that don't stop, or the constant feeling that you'll never get ahead. But let me tell you something real. Staying broke is a choice. Yeah, I said it. And before you come at me with excuses, hear me out. I'm not saying it's easy. I'm saying that no matter where you are right now, you've got two options. One, stay stuck. Two, get up and do something about it. The difference between the people who win and the ones who lose? It's not talent. It's not luck. It's action. Your excuses are keeping you stuck. I can't fix my credit because it's too messed up. I don't have enough money to pay off my debt. I'll figure it out later. Sound familiar? I've heard it all before, and guess what? None of those excuses are going to pay your bills, fix your credit, or fund your dreams. Here's the hard truth. Nobody's coming to save you. The system is rigged to keep you down. Banks, debt collectors, and even credit card companies, they profit off your struggles. But you don't have to play by their rules. You're one decision away. Let me break it down. Everything in your life, your money, your credit, your opportunities, comes down to the choices you make. You could spend the next 5 years saying, I'll deal with it later. Or you could take one step today to fix your credit, get out of debt, and start building the life you want. When I was working as a debt collector, I saw people get crushed by the system every single day, but the ones who decided to take control, they're the ones who won. The system doesn't want you to win. Debt collectors want you to feel scared. Banks want you to stay in debt. The credit system? It's designed to punish you for mistakes you made years ago. But here's the thing. Once you learn how the system works, you can beat it. I know because I used to work for it. I know every trick, every loophole, every move you can make to flip the script and turn your financial life around. Stop playing small. Look, I'm not here to sugarcoat it. Fixing your credit, getting out of collections, and building wealth takes work. But staying broke? That costs way more. Every month you carry debt, you're paying interest that eats up your hard-earned cash. Every time a collections call stresses you out, it's stealing your peace of mind. Every day you wait to fix your credit, you're closing doors to opportunities that could change your life. Do you want to win or not? If you're serious about building a real future, here's what you need to do. 1. Fix your credit. Stop letting bad credit hold you back. 2. Handle your debts. Like a boss, negotiate, settle, and move on. 3. Use the system to your advantage. Build credit that works for you, not against you. At Dareshore, we don't just help people fix their credit. We teach you how to play the game and win. This is your wake-up call. Let me make it clear. Your credit isn't just a number. It's your ticket to financial freedom. It's the difference between renting forever and owning your dream home. It's the key to starting that business, traveling the world, or giving your family the life they deserve. But none of that happens if you don't act. What's stopping you? If you're ready to stop making excuses and start making moves, I'm here for you. I've got the knowledge, the experience, and the tools to help you fix your credit and transform your financial future. Visit Dareshore.com or email me at support@dareshore.com. Let's get to work. Your future is waiting, but it's not going to wait forever. The question is, are you ready to take it?